Dear learner, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Joy. I am Supratim Chakraborty and let us continue my video lecture series on object oriented programming Java. This is part 14 and it contains packages, concept of packages. Then there are main two kinds of packages, that is built-in packages and user defined packages. We will discuss it, and this course is mainly designed for ICSE and CBSE. However, it may be used by the students of university and pre-university courses. Now let us define package. What is package and why we will use this? Package is very much useful. It is very much similar with the concept of folder. That is, we may keep several classes in a package for first accessing, number one. Number two, for the programmer's perspective, that is, it is very useful for indexing, memorize. Indexing is not kind of computer programming indexing, that is, this is used for indexing, that what are the classes used for a particular package, or it may be used, that is, a package name and the class name rather is very much class name rather is exactly same class name used by another program or another programmer, or in the computer system having the different package name. So it is very used for accessing the same class name using different packages. Now if we define package, that a package in Java is used to group related classes. We use packages to avoid name conflicts. Number one, we have discussed that, and to write a better maintainable code. Packages are divided into two broad categories. That is, one is built-in packages, the packages from the Java application interface. There are several packages. If we cite an example, java.lang, java.io, and etc. There are several built-in packages. And second kind is the user defined packages, create for your own package, that is package A, package B, or you may use package India, package America, etc. Now using packages, to use a class or a package from the library, we need to use the import keyword, that we have already seen that importing concept. So we may import a particular class, that is, I know that one class is required for running my this program particularly, so we may import this class. Otherwise, if we do not know, or rather if there are several classes are required for my this program, then we will use the package library as a whole. For example, the syntax is import package.name.class, that is for importing a single class, or we may use that syntax import package.name.star, java.lang.star we have used, or we have if we know the particular class name we are using, we have to use, that is import package.name.class. This is syntax. Now for example, if we see importing package, that is, in Java we have several built-in packages. For example, when we need to user input, we import the packages like this. This is input output, or for this example this is util packages. Now import java.util.scanner package. This is, if I consider a single import, if we consider the this is the as a whole import program statement, a part of program statement, that is, here Java is the top level package, util is the sub package, and the class is scanner. Java.util.scanner. As I know that scanner I will be using here. Otherwise, if we do not know which particular class will be used, then Java dot util dot star. But here I know that the scanner class will be used, so we will import this statement, that is, Java is the top level package, util is the sub package, and the scanner is the class. Now let us demonstrate the use of package using some example. Now we have created a package, say calculation. We have created my own package. This is not built-in package, this is my user defined own package. I have created a package calculation. Now in this package we have created a class, that is calculator. What it does? It is just adding a plus b. Now we have created a package calculation and calculator. Now what are doing this? Public static void main calculator object, that is new calculator. We have defined this with program. This is this will add 10 and 20. This is our complete example for complete program for class calculator. Now let us see. We are using another class demo. Previous one is one class calculator, package calculation, the class calculator. Now we are using we are now programming another class demo, and we want to access the function, the method calculator from the previous package. So how do we use? It is very simple. We may avoid for coding the full or as a whole. We just import calculation.calculator. That is the calculator function. As we know, the calculator function is inside the package calculation. So we import calculation.calculator, and then we easily access this kind of calculator, a new calculator. We may add 100 and 200. Basically here is the point to remember. This function we are using, and using by taking from the packages calculation. Now let us take another example. We have created a package 1. We have created a package 1, and and inside we have created a class, that is class name is A. What is this? Is for just printing hey you. Okay, now we have created another package 2. We have created another package 2. Previous one is package 1, this is package 2. Package 1, this is package 2. This is class, here package 1 class A, here class B. Class B wants to use class A. How it is possible? We have to import the package. We have to import the previous package 1 to this code. So package 1 dot star we have imported. Now we may easily access A object new A, the function A we may easily access, and the corresponding output will be hey you as per previous one. For example 1, we have seen that there are only one package, but here are two packages. Package 2 where we are using right now, the function, the class B we are using right now, and in class B we are taking the function A to implement here. So this is another example of package. Now there are several built-in packages in Java. We have discussed few of them. We have written 8 here, but there are several built-in packages. There are several useful built-in packages, and if we discuss only few of these things, that is java.applet package. If we are programming applet, then java.applet package is required. Java.awt, this is a basically packages for graphic user face implementation. Java.awt, this is required for applet programming also. And Java.io input output for file operation. Java.lang, this is basic language functionality for fundamental types. We have used Java.lang several times in my video lecture series. Java.net, this is required for network operation. Java.util, collection of data structure classes and etc. Java.sql, if you are programming SQL, then Java database connectivity is required. So there are several built-in packages, there are several useful built-in packages, and in these packages there are several lots of well-defined classes we may use. For more details, you please go through the direct Java Oracle application interface packages, built-in packages. You will see the entire list. Okay, and now let us revise another time. Advantages of using packages in Java. What is this? This is reusability. What is reusability? If I define a class in package 1, we want to use that particular class for package 2, then we need not to write or maintain the entire code of that particular packages, that particular classes in package 1. We just access that class from package B. This is reusability. Using packages, you can create such things in form of a classes inside a package, and whenever you need to perform some task, you may just import. And better organization. To build large Java project, if I am creating a large Java project or large application, so there are lots of class, 100 of classes are required. So 100 of classes there we may take from 50 from package A, 50 from package B. Among these 50, another programmers may accessing 20 packages. This is a very better organization, And name conflicts. We have seen that we can define two classes with same name in different packages, so to avoid name collision. If we cite an example for this, we may see it here. If there are two packages, package India and package Nepal, and India there is class mountain and there is a class river, and in package Nepal there is a also class mountain. The class name is same, and there is another class fountain. Now if we want to use the class mountain and we want to access from the package India and the package Nepal as well. So what we will do? Just say I am using package A here. I am programming it. Now here I have a code statement required that to access packages India and mountain. So what we will do? We will just import India dot mountain. We have to import India, and in this we also want to access mountain class from Nepal. So Nepal dot mountain. We may easily access. We are here in packages A. We are importing package India and package Nepal. We have to import package India and package Nepal. Then we may easily access what? India dot mountain and Nepal dot mountain. This is a very much useful functionalities for package. Here accessing mountain, Nepal dot mountain and India dot mountain. And for accessing we have to import package India and package Nepal, etc. This is the implementation of packages. Okay, now you may read several internet resources, and Java to the Complete reference by Herbert Sild. Thank you. I am Supratim Chakraborty. My YouTube channel Learn with Joy. If it is helpful to you, then like, share and subscribe. Keep watching. Thank you.